Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is the first video in a series that will focus on helping you improve your pronunciation. It's a super important lesson. It covers all the possible sounds in the English language. This is the American English version, but please note that we also have the same video with British accent on our channel, as you can see on your screen now. You should think of this as going to a linguistic gym. The more you do the exercises in this lesson, the better your pronunciation will become. The exercises are based on repetition. Make sure you listen carefully to each word, then repeat it with a pronunciation that matches mine as closely as possible. Today the focus is on individual key sounds, and we are covering vowels, diphthongs and consonants. I strongly suggest that you watch and practice the words in this video several times, until you are able to replicate the pronunciation as closely as possible. Before we get started, do consider helping us. Subscribe, give a like, then hit that notification button. This way we can continue providing you with more educational videos like this one. Now let's get started. Repeat the following words after me. Seat. Sit. Set. Sat. March. Pot. Port. Good. Food. Much. Turn. Collect. Let's do this one more time. Simply focus on getting the pronunciation just right. Imitate to the best of your ability. Seat. Sit. Set. Sat. March. Pot. Port. Good. Food. Much. Turn. Collect. This was the list of vowel sounds in English. Let's now practice the diphthongs. A diphthong is a sound formed by the combination of two vowels in a single syllable, in which the sound begins as one vowel and moves toward another. Please repeat the following words after me. Take. Mine. Oil. No. House. Here. Air. Tour. Let's practice that one more time. Take. Mine. Oil. No. House. Here. Air. Tour. This was the complete list of diphthongs. Did you notice that each word featured two vowels in a single syllable? This is very important to master, so be sure to check back to this part as often as you can. Let's now practice the consonants. Pull. Bull. Very. Berry. Think. Then. Take. Day. Sing. Zoo. Show. Pleasure. Cheap. Jail. Case. Go. My. No. Sing. Love. Round. Well. Young. House. How did that go? Let's take that one more time. Pull. Bull. Very. Berry. Think. Then. Take. Day. Sing. Zoo. Show. Pleasure. Cheap. Jail. Case. Go. My. No. Sing. Love. Round. Well. Young. House. This video covered the basic individual key sounds in the English language. We recommend that you do the exercises in this video several times, until you reach mastery of the pronunciation of each word. We hope that you found this video useful and fun. If you feel that this video has provided you with some value, please consider helping us. Subscribe, comment, give a like, then hit that notification button. It really helps a lot. See you soon again.